In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. This will be a quick guide to help you efficiently organize your communication and collaboration efforts within your team or organization. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. If you're not already there, make sure you head over to the Microsoft Teams page through your web browser. Once you're on the page, look for the sign in button, which should be prominent and easy to find. Click on this button to begin the process of logging into your account. If you usually work within a certain tenant or organization, make sure you're signing into that specific account for the most streamlined experience. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the Microsoft Teams interface. Here, you're going to look for the icon that indicates a new chat. This icon is generally represented by a pencil or a chat bubble, often located on the left sidebar where your communication tools are housed. Clicking this will open up the chat window, allowing you to start a fresh dialogue. Next, in the new chat window that appears, you'll see a field where you would typically enter the name of the people you wish to communicate with. Begin typing the names or email addresses of your colleagues or team members you want to add to the group chat. You'll notice that as you type, suggestions might appear based on your previous contacts or organizational structure, making this step a tad easier. Select the correct names from the suggestions or complete typing them manually depending on your preference. Now that you've picked the members for your chat, it's time to give your group chat a name. This is an essential step if you want to keep things organized and ensure everyone is clear about the chat's purpose. Right below or near the field where you entered the participant names, there will be another field labeled for the group name. In this field, carefully type the name of your group chat. It can be as descriptive or brief as you need it to be, depending on the focus or context of your collaboration effort. And there you have it. Your group chat is now created and aptly named. You can immediately start communicating, sharing files, or setting up meetings within this new group. Naming your chats consistently will help you and your team stay organized, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or teams. Thanks for joining us today to learn about creating and naming group chats in Microsoft Teams. We hope this guide helps you improve your team's communication. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.